My sister invited me to a party for one of her classmates. The colors were gold, dusty pink, and rose gold. She bought it from one of her favorite thrift stores but didn't wear it. She gave it to me once again so we can make something with it. So we're gonna make a quick and easy sleep mask. Beginners, you can do this. I made a quick pattern for it and you can get it at sewgirly.com. I'm going to give you the measurements for the headband part because that part is easy to make. I've always wanted to make a sleep mask and try it at nighttime just to see if it gets me any better sleep at night. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried them, if it helps you, just what do you think about them. Apparently they can really help improve your quality of sleep. They're cheaper than blackout curtains. They can be good for your skin and prevent your eyes from drying. And of course, they are safer than meds. Men can wear them too, and cute little dogs like this one. So let's get into it. So I used the dress that my sister gave me, and I also used an old pillowcase that I had. So the pillowcase is going to be for the lining on the inside, and I'm going to cut off a piece of the dress for the outside. Also, I'm going to use a piece of the pillowcase for the headband part that goes around the back of your head. You will need a little bit of fusible fleece for this project. I just used one piece to fuse onto the back of the outside fabric. And you'll need a small strip of 1-inch elastic. But first, I just went ahead and used the pattern piece to cut out the fabric. This fabric is satin, but if you are a beginner, you may want to just use cotton fabric. It's a little bit easier to work with. And after you have everything cut out, just make sure you use the right needle for whatever type of material you're using. And then I went ahead and fused a little bit of fusible fleece to the back of the outside fabric. And after pressing the headband pieces, we can go ahead and sew all the way around those pieces. I just left a little bit of an opening so I could turn it. But you really don't have to. If you leave the ends open on each end, then that should be good enough to turn it inside out. I marked 2 dots about an inch apart just to leave an opening in the mask for turning. And now we can go ahead and sew all the way around the headband piece. Just leave the opening so you can turn the headband part inside out and leave the ends open. Then I just cut a little bit of the excess seam off from each end of the headband. And then I turn the headband piece inside out. Gave it a quick press. And then I just inserted the elastic into the casing piece that we made for the band. Then I clip the band in between the outer fabric and the lining fabric with the right sides facing. Clipped all the way around the mask and then sewed all the way around, stopping at the opening. cut off the excess from around the seam. Turned it inside out. And then I just closed up the opening in the mask, gave it a good press, and then top stitched it all the way around. I think it turned out really cute, so I can't wait to try it. I'm gonna try to wear it tonight and try to see if it gives me a better night's sleep. I hope you guys make one and let me know how it works out for you.